Very much. Please, let's take our seats. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Addis. For far too long, Africa has remained at the periphery of the global health economy, largely as a net consumer of health commodities produced elsewhere. This has come at a significant cost to our national budgets, the stability of our health systems, and the resilience of our people. This is why we must act with deliberate speed. Local manufacturing of health products is no longer a goal we can postpone. It is an urgent priority. It sits at the heart of Africa's health security and sovereignty agenda. Across many of our countries, nearly 60% of health expenditure is paid out of pocket by citizens. Millions are forced to obtain essential medicines through informal markets, where the risk of substandard or falsified products is very high. We must address this challenge to both protect our people and to reduce the economic leakage that weakens trust and undermines formal pharmaceutical markets. The economic case for action is equally strong. Africa's pharmaceutical market was valued at approximately $36 billion in 2023 and is projected to exceed $122 billion by 2032. If we manufactured even half of the products we currently import, we could save between 30 million and 50 billion annually. Resources that could be redirected towards infrastructure, social protection, innovation, and other social services. We have the capacity to achieve this ambition. Africa has the world's youngest workforce and a single market of 1.4 billion people under the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. We have launched the Africa Pooled Procurement Mechanism through Africa CDC to address market fragmentation and aggregate demand across countries. Without predictable and aggregated markets, local manufacturers cannot scale or remain viable. Pooled procurement is therefore not optional. It is a necessity. It can help secure better prices, improve availability, and provide demand certainty, giving African producers the confidence to invest and scale up. A strong foundation is already in place. Africa now hosts more than 570 registered health product manufacturers and over 27 vaccine manufacturing initiatives. Our regulatory systems are advancing with 9 national authorities having reached World Health Organization Maturity Level 3. The Africa Medicines Agency is now operational, strengthening trust in African-made products. To close remaining skill gaps, we are developing a qualified workforce through the Regional Capability and Capacity Network. I call on all member states to subscribe to Africa Pool Procurement Mechanism and align procurement plans so that measurable progress can be achieved within this year. Successful industrialization will require regional manufacturing ecosystems and value addition. Africa must move away from exporting raw materials and importing finished products. Through regional value chains and harmonized standards, we can manufacture competitively for our continental market. We must also invest consistently in research and development because innovation is essential to long-term independence. We must also provide the right enabling environment, sound policy, reliable infrastructure, effective regulation, and affordable financing. Manufacturing depends on reliable energy, modern logistics, and access to capital. Continental financial institutions, including the Africa Development Bank and Afri-Exim Bank, should continue converting commitments into practical, bankable projects for manufacturers. The Africa Continental Free Trade Area must be powered by African production. Without strong local manufacturing, it risks becoming a channel for imports rather than a driver of African industry. To translate these priorities into coordinated action, I therefore propose that the Africa Union convene an extraordinary meeting on local manufacturing this year. I am looking at the possibility of having this summit just before the Africa-French summit in Nairobi in May. This summit would allow us to review progress and build the partnerships needed to achieve the targets of producing at least 60% of Africa's health products on the continent by 2040. Thank you very much, and welcome to this conversation.